Play music on Amazon Music. So if you want to play music on the Amazon Music app, it is actually quite very simple to do so. But first you need to make sure you have downloaded the Amazon Music app, open it up, and you must have also created and logged into your account. Now you don't have to have a premium account. You can also play music on a free version of the Amazon Music application. So when you open the app, this is the interface you will see. You can search for a custom song or the artist that you want by coming to the find section and searching for them. And once you find a certain song that you want to begin playing, you can just tap on the play button in that song, and then you'll be able to play that song. You can skip the song for the another one, right, like that, and you'll be able to find those as well. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically play music on Amazon Music. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.